Greetings and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today I'll show you how to write a leave application letter for your sister's marriage. This document serves as a formal request to seek approval for leave, ensuring that your absence is communicated professionally. You need to include your personal details at the top, such as your name, address, email, contact number, and the date. Next, address the recipient by their name, designation, and the company or school name, followed by their address. The subject line should clearly state the purpose of your letter, requesting leave for your sister's marriage. Begin the letter with a polite salutation, addressing the recipient appropriately. After that, write, "I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to formally request leave from start date to end date, as my sister's wedding is scheduled during this period. As an important family event, my presence is essential for the preparations and ceremonies. I have ensured that all my ongoing responsibilities are managed and delegated in my absence to avoid any disruptions. I would sincerely appreciate your approval of my leave request. Please let me know if any further information or formalities are required. Looking forward to your kind consideration. Yours sincerely, your name." Here's our sample leave application letter for your sister's marriage. Notice how it clearly states the reason for leave, the requested duration, and assures the recipient of any necessary work arrangements. By following this format step by step, you can draft a professional and well-structured leave request. This letter ensures your leave is communicated formally while maintaining professionalism. And with that, I end this video. If you found this guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on writing leave applications.